What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be looking at Aussie dollar against the Japanese yen, and we have just filled this fair value gap right here. So let's get into it after the intro. Alright then, guys, jumping onto the charts here, as you can see, we have pretty nice looking price action going on right now. And I'm going to jump into the reason why I'm looking to take a trade from this zone if we can get a entry signal, which is a break of a recent candle high. So currently we'd need this candle to break this candle's high. So we've got a little bit of time. So I'm going to explain what's going on. So if we go to a higher time frame, let's go to the 1 hour. What we can see is we've been in a downtrend for a while, as you can see. And we've recently changed the character of the trend across these highs here, okay? So this is a change of character of the trend, okay? Making a new high from the new lower low. Prices then come down. We've had this nice little liquidity grab wick here, which has taken out the liquidity below these equal lows here, as you can see, is taken out there. And we've also, with this wick, taken out this fair value gap and the final fair value gap in this lowest low, right? Even on the 1 minute, I don't think, from what I can remember, there are any, he says, as he sees a very small one there, okay? So this one was taken out by this gap here. So there's a very minute one down below here. But other than that, it's pretty well, they've all been taken out. So I'm interested in this zone because I feel that we've done everything with this drop down that we want to do with this area. And what we're going to look for now is price to push up. Now, if we go to the back to the 5 minute chart, we can see that we have a, this is looking a bit messy, isn't it? Excuse me, I've got hiccups. You can see that we have a demand zone down here, okay? So this area here, which was having that liquidity that took the equal lows, has pushed up, and we've also changed the character of this minor trend just here, okay? So we've got a new lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. From the new lower low, we've made a new lower high, new higher high, breaking this highs here and closing above the closures of this high. So this again is a change of character in the trend. We then come back down to visit the zone, and we've taken out any liquidity that was below here and also below these lows here. Now, below here, there's buyers with stop losses that are trying to push price up because they've seen this move. And the same here, as prices come down, they tried to push up because they're probably thinking that this is a resistance area. And then price is going to, rebound here like it has and continue up. Whereas, in fact, they've come down. They come to take this fair value gap. And now all we have to do is wait for a candle break. I'm just going to get this out because I've got another trade on. Just want to see all the numbers. So we're just waiting for our break of the candle high now. If we get the break of the candle high, we're going to go for the trade. It is a bit later in the day. It's 10 to 7 here. But that means it's only 10 to 1 in the US, in the New York session. So we're going to be patient here and basically wait for... let's just get rid of these lines. Wait for our entry. Okay, we could have entered quite aggressively, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to wait to see if we can get a break of this candle's high. Now, this candle's pushing up quite nicely. We've got 1 minute and 15 seconds left. So we're going to come back when this candle closes, see where it's at, and then watch the next candle form and see if that breaks this high. So yeah, be back in a sec. All right, guys, so we've got 6 seconds left, and price is pushing up. We've got a nice reaction from the area after filling that fair value gap. So now we're just going to get ready. If we get our break of a candle high, which is looking likely, haven't got it yet. I just need to find it on my chart as well. So we're basically waiting for this candle just to break this high. It has there, but I'm going to wait to see if it can have another push up just to show, there we go, some bullish momentum. And we got that. So we're going to go stop loss here, just below the zone here, 8 pips. And then we're going to be targeting new highs up to here, 54 pips. So basically what we're looking for now is price to create a new higher high, right? So we've had a new lower low, new higher high, a new higher low, and then looking for price to make a new higher high. That's why I'm putting my stop loss. Actually, we're going to go for 50 pips here. All right, and we're looking for price to continue to the upside to make new higher highs and continue up over the week. Looking at what we have to the left here on the main chart, we do also have interesting areas. We've got fair value gaps here. We've got another one here. We've got a little one here. We've got a supply zone here, which is taking out liquidity here. We've also got equal highs up here on the higher time frames, and then an overall bigger supply zone up here. So we've got plenty of liquidity up here for price to come and visit and potentially take out. So, you know, that's a longer term outlook, but that's kind of where we're looking, and that's what we're going to go trade, and that's the reason for the trade. So we're in, pushed up quite nicely there. So we're just going to see how this plays out and come back when we got a bit more information. Alright then guys, jumping back in, and it's been a little while, and you can see the reaction from that zone. I mean, super accurate. Price pushed up. We've come up to this area here, which is a high volume zone, which is creating a little bit of resistance at the moment. I haven't taken any profit yet. I'm looking for price to push up a bit further because there's plenty of liquidity above these highs here, which hasn't been taken yet. Okay, you can see this wick only went to here. Taking liquidity off these highs, but not off here. We've got fair value gaps here. We've got liquidity here, and so on and so forth. So, no trades yet. Sorry, no closures yet. We're just going to let this ride and keep the psychology strong and let this boy keep on going. There is a chance I may hold this through the swap tonight. I had a trade last night, which I didn't record on EJ, which at this point in time, I entered actually around just after the swap, but we'll see. I haven't made a decision yet. I will decide how it's, depending on how it's looking, where we are towards 10 o'clock. We've still got 2 hours yet, so let's see. Alright then guys, jumping back in, you can see we had a nice little pullback here, and price is now just rocketed up. I am now, what I'm going to do is start to look to take out position sizes. So I actually have 2 positions on this trade, and I'm going to close one out, the one that is actually in the most profit right now. So that one is taken out. So that was our first TP. Okay, and I'm happy with the amount there. So technically I'm not doing 80% in this one, I'm doing 50-50 because I've got 2 positions running. So what I'm going to do is make that my first TP. And now I'm going to bring my stop loss to break even for this other trade. And I'm going to let that run through everything else and see if we can get to full TP during the Asia session later on tonight. So I'm going to put that there, and there we go. Yeah, so we came out to take the liquidity off these highs. I do anticipate price pushing up more, but I'm happy with the what we got there. That was a total of 14 pips there. I can definitely obviously see price pulling down a little bit and then pushing up, and at this time it's 8:30, 20 to 9, and yeah, there we go. So really nice trade. The reaction off this zone is just textbook. I'm stoked with that. The analysis was spot on, and yeah, that's a really nice day at work for me. So we're going to see how this finishes up either tonight or tomorrow morning. And we have got a target quite a far away. It's all the way up here, because remember, we're looking for this overall new higher high, lower high, to make a new higher high, and so price should potentially continue up for 50 pips. So we'll see how this goes, and yeah, we'll come back later on, either tonight or tomorrow. Okay guys, so it's the next morning, and as you can see, we have now hit break even. If I pull this across, last night we took our first TP and first position out here. I then later on, it was about 9:30 or so, I did decide to take 80% off at this point, but at this point I was actually in bed and away from the computer, so I didn't manage to record it. I think it was about 9:25 or something like that. It was just as this pushed up, I was like, right, I'm going to take the rest out. And because I thought this area could act as some sort of supply zone, which it completely did. This big candle here is when the swaps come in. So at 10 o'clock, there's a changeover of markets, and price just went nuts for a second and then continued what it was about to do. And we pushed down, and that last 80% of the second position broke even at around midnight last night. So great trade. We had a really nice reaction off here. This area was stronger than expected. I thought that maybe this area would come up to have some action. I'm sure it will in some point in the future, but for right now, that was not the case. And as you can see, we've pushed down, making new lower lows and lower highs. So that's the trade. Really nice setup. We've got one position at 14 pips and the other position with 80% taken out at around 18 pips. So a really nice trade last night. And that will wrap today. Got plenty of videos coming out for the rest of the day today, and going on to next week. I'm away for a week, but I'm going to be stacking videos all day today, so I've got content to put out for you guys while I'm away, and I'll be filming content while I'm out there. So all good stuff. Hope you guys are enjoying so far, and like and subscribe and all that jazz, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.